Hello and welcome to the Couch Potato. Guys, I've got great news. My parents are finally in Canada and they've landed safely. And we're so relieved because जाने से पहले we were really stressed and also confused about the entire process. Preparations कैसे होंगे, arrangements कैसे होंगे, and whether it is even safe to travel right now or not. I'm here to answer all of those questions, and if you're someone who wants to travel in the near future, do watch till the end. But शुरू करने से पहले subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. First, let me give you a little background. My parents had super visa for Canada, but their plans of traveling really got delayed because of the COVID situation. They had to go and meet this adorable angel. She's my cute little niece, and this is the first time that they've met her. So as soon as we were convinced that it is safe to travel, we decided to go ahead with our plans, and this is how we planned the entire thing. The first thing we did was to check whether they're even eligible to travel or not. As immediate family members, they were eligible to travel, they were exempt from the restrictions, so that part was sorted for us. I'll add the official link in description to check whether you're eligible to travel or not. The next thing that we did was to book the tickets. This was the hardest part. There were 4 people trying to book tickets for them, and after 2 hours of trying, luckily I was able to book tickets from the Air India website, and I'll show you how it's done. This is the official Air India website. I'll add the link in description. Go to book flights and choose the for flight booking ex India option. Read the terms and conditions and you'll have to agree to these conditions. Now you'll see the search flights page where you have to enter your details. Like from where you're traveling, your destination, date of departure, and the number of passengers. Search for flights and verify that you're not a robot. So this is the this page shows the number of flights and the flight options that you have. As of now, there are very few flights operating, so you'll have to be very flexible with your travel plans or your dates of travel. Select a specific date, say 6th or 4th of October. You can select your, once you've selected your date, you can select the class that you want to travel in, and you can just select the option that suits you best, and you'll see a breakup of your fare details here. Click on passenger details. On this page, you have to add all your details as per your passport. Your first name, your last name, gender, if you have a frequent flyer number, all of that. Here, there's also an option to add travel document if you see, but it's not compulsory to add it, so you can simply skip this. Just give your contact details, agree to the privacy terms, and click on continue. That's it. You just have to make the payment. After this page, you'll be directed to the payments page. You just have to enter your card details and finish the payment. Now, at any point in these steps, your flight might be shown as unavailable, or you might get a message that your flight is no longer available. It's just a technical glitch. You simply need to go back to the Air India website and start booking once again, because it is a technical glitch that we faced. Once your payment is successful, you'll get a confirmation email with the ticket. Now this email might take a few hours, like for us it took 6 to 7 hours, so don't panic even if you don't get the email immediately. If your payment is successful, you'll most likely get the email. 48 hours before the flight, you need to download the ArriveCan app. You'll get a unique code after you fill up the form, and this code will make your life a lot easier when you land. I've added the link to this app in description. You also need to download the Arogya Setu app if you already haven't, because iske bina aap airport enter nahi kar paoge. You need to fill the self-reporting form and the indemnity declaration form. You'll need 2 of each per person. You need to do your web check-in, and at this point you also need to be ready with your 14-day quarantine plan.
लाइक आप रहोगे कहाँ एंड आपके एसेंशियल्स एंड फूड अरेंज कैसे होंगे. On the day of your flight, make sure that you reach the airport at least 4 to 5 hours before the scheduled departure. Now, there's not a lot of rush, but the queues move slowly because it's new for everyone and there are a lot of checks. At the gate, your hand baggage will be sanitized and they'll check your Arogya Setu app along with the self-declaration and indemnity declaration forms, your passport, your visa and your tickets. Then in the check-in line, you'll meet an airline officer who will check your passport and who will collect these 2 forms from you. At the check-in counter, your baggage will be checked in and you'll be issued a boarding pass. From there, you'll be directed to the security check, where the normal security check will happen and your boarding pass will be stamped. Then you'll go to the immigration counter where they might ask you a few simple questions like where you're going and whom you'll be visiting, and they'll just simply stamp your passport and your boarding pass. Then you will reach the boarding gate where you will be given a mask and a face shield. The middle seat passengers will also get a PPE kit, and the bigger looking bags might be checked for weight here. After landing, you will be sent to the customs or immigration counter. My parents went to the same counter as a family. There your passport will be scanned and your goods to declare form will be stamped. You'll also be asked a few questions like where would you be staying, how will you be traveling from the airport, do you have a cab or a private vehicle, what's your quarantine plan, just general questions. At the second immigration counter, your goods to declare form will be stamped again. You'll be asked questions like what's the duration of your stay, what's the purpose of your visit, and they'll just stamp the date of return on your passport. And that's it, you're good to go. After that, you just need to collect your baggage and your goods to declare form will be submitted at the exit gate. It is also advisable to change the clothes that you were traveling in. Guys, if you do decide to travel, please follow all the security and safety guidelines and take as many precautions as you can. I've tried to include all the information in this video, but if you think that I've missed out something or if there are questions that you want to ask, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you next time.